Curling your hair with the straightener is an easy and stylish way to add texture to your look. Start by gathering all the necessary items, such as a straightener, a brush, a heat protectant spray, and some small clips. Prep your hair by washing and conditioning it with a good quality product. Make sure your hair is completely dry before you start curling. Detangle your hair correctly before you begin and apply a heat protectant spray all over. Divide your hair into small sections and clip the rest of your hair away. Take a section of hair and wrap it around the iron. Begin at the root of the section and move the iron downwards towards the ends. After each curl, spray some hairspray onto your hair for a more lasting hold. Release the curled section and repeat this technique on the remaining sections. To create more pronounced curls, you can add some texture and lift by wrapping the section horizontally around the iron. Curl the entire head until all the strands have been twisted and curled with the straightener. For smooth and defined curls, use a brush to separate and shape. Finally, apply some more hairspray to keep all the curls in place. Note that the higher the temperature of the straightener, the tighter the curls will become. Curling your hair with a straightener requires patience and practice, but the results are definitely worth it. Once you master the technique, you can create a wide range of beautiful, long-lasting hairstyles. Start with smaller sections if you are a beginner. This will make it easier to be in control of the curls. You can also create natural-looking waves by curling the sections away from your face on the bottom half and towards your face on the top half. To keep your curls looking fresh for longer, use a cotton pillowcase instead of a silk one to avoid rubbing the strands together. Don't forget to turn off the straightener when you're finished and allow it to cool down. Avoid using a straightener on wet hair as this can cause damage to the strands. If your hair is on the thicker side, use a straightener with a wide plate for more even heat distribution. Furthermore, the type of straightener you choose depends on the type of curl you want to create. You may need to use different sizes or wider plates for looser curls.